Let's now get you updates coming in from the worst affected state here. This is Maharashtra, and this one's from Vasai district. Sativali, which is a densely populated neighborhood there in the Vasai district. It has been barricaded here to ensure lockdown norms are not flouted. So lockdown norms are continuing here in this area. When Mirror Now, on ground, there was only one cop though that was deployed there to keep a check on this. Our correspondent Santhia is getting us those details.
This is Sativali in Vasai region, and again this is a containment zone, and you can see barricading is there. But there is only one cop who is deployed here to deal with the population of this area. This region looks like a populated area. Only one cop is here who has to deal with the people, who has to deal with vehicles, who has to ensure that nobody enters or exits this area. Clearly, the cop here is outnumbered by the people, and you can see that how people have gathered. Some people in front of the camera have gathered for no reasons at all. They are just here. The cop is trying to, he's asking them to go, but of course they are not listening to him. Again, barricading is there. A banner is there declaring this area as a containment zone, which means that people are not supposed to step inside the area or out of the area for no reasons at all. But clearly one cop is unable to handle the situation here. He's clearly outnumbered. There are too many people here, and they are of course not adhering to the lockdown guidelines, and they're also not listening to what the cop is trying to say here. As I said, some people at the end, you'll see that they're just standing there. Some areas in the region did not even have any barricading or any banner from the municipal corporation. Some areas, including this one, of course, have the barricading, but lack of deployment of either the municipal staff or the cops is something which is clearly visible here. Despite this being a containment zone, despite there being a barricading here, despite a cop trying to stop people, this area also lacks proper deployment, and people, of course, once again, are not following the containment zone or lockdown guidelines here.
And once again, this is another update in the Vasai Virai area here. The police that is, as Santhya was explaining, having a tough time to control the crowd. This is an area that has lockdown norms that continue to remain imposed, but people refuse to get the message. Gandhinagar Chowk, which is a containment zone in the district, but people are seen arguing with the police, making their way about. Santhya once again getting us those details.
After the order of Vasai Virar Municipal Corporation of a complete lockdown for next 14 days in 18 areas of the region, finally there is one place where the implementation, at least the effort of the implementation is being done. This is Gandhi Chowk area in Virar, and you can see that here proper barricading is there. In fact, cops are also here, but what is lacking here is the discipline on the end of the people here. Cops, of course, are here. They are checking the vehicles. They're asking people why exactly they are moving from one place to another. They are trying to stop them also. But clearly, discipline at the end of the citizens is something that is absolutely lacking here. People can be seen arguing with the cops, trying to make their way out, and in the area, contained areas, you can see that a proper banner is here declaring this region as a containment zone. Proper barricading is also there. Maharashtra police officials are there. Some private security guards are also here. But again, as I said, you can see people have gathered. Some people have actually gathered for no reasons at all. Absolutely no regards to any kind of social distancing whatsoever. In fact, unfortunately, some shops, again, which do not fall under the category of essential commodities, are open. You can see that one flower shop is open, and on the extreme side, on the other side of the road, a bakery is also open. It's not supposed to remain open. Neither a flower shop nor a bakery actually falls under essential commodities. This is what Gandhi Chowk in Virar looks like. Absolutely no regards to social distancing. Citizens not ready to listen to the cops, and they are not ready to adhere to any guidelines of the lockdown orders.
Certainly, there is some citizens' responsibility to this lockdown that we need to respect here as well. We're slipping into a very tiny breather, getting you more updates here in just a bit.